Morning, children. Teacher Mike here. Today is Tuesday, and we're going to get started with our months of the year. So help me sing them. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, and December. These are the months in the year, and there are 12 months in the year. Go ahead and tell me how many months are in our year. Yeah, there's 12 months in the year. And what month is it right now? Tell me. Yeah, it's May. That's right. So let's look at our weekly calendar. Right here, we have our days of the week. It says May, and our year is 2020. Great. So we're going to sing the days of the week now. So throw up 3. No, throw up 7. There are 7 days in the week, you know. See if you can sing them so. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That's the end. So like I said, today is Tuesday. Let's find it. Tuesday. And we're going to come on down underneath, and we need a number right here. Yesterday was number 18, so today will be number 19. That's right. And what color do I need to do? Go ahead and tell me. Yeah, it's black, because our pattern is black, purple, orange. Black, purple, orange, black. 19. 19 is 2 digits. 1, 2. This 1 is 1 digit. 9 is 1 digit. So it's 2 digits. The last digit is a 9. So this number is odd. We can now not count to 19 by 2s. And just a fun tidbit, 19 is a prime number. Pretty cool. All right, we're going to come over to our word of the day. Right over here. I'm going to add it under make. So our word today is spelled L-I-K-E, like. Let's spell it and read it together. L-I-K-E, like. Again, L-I-K-E, like. One more time. L-I-K-E, like. Like, like, like. And that like has that silent E that's bossy on this I. So it changes the I from a short eh sound to a long I sound. L-I-K, like. See, the E didn't make any sound. Like. Like, like, like. Do you know any teachers' names who rhyme with like? Let's see. Teacher D. No. Teacher D. Like. These don't rhyme. No. Teacher. Miss Marquita. Miss Marquita. Like. No, those don't rhyme. What rhymes with like? It's Mike. Teacher Mike. Like. These two rhyme. We got it. Cool. So let's come up with a sentence that uses like in it. I like going to school. I like going to school. 5 words in my sentence. Your turn to come up with a sentence that uses like. And after that, you know what's next. Phonemic awareness. Oh yeah. Okay, so we're going to start off with our thumbs. So get your thumbs out like this. I'm going to say 2 words. If they rhyme, give me thumbs up. If they don't rhyme, thumbs down. Okay? So thumbs sideways. We have dropping, shopping. These 2 rhyme. Good. Sideways. Nature, picture. These 2 rhyme. Good. Drummer, humming. These don't rhyme. Good. Garbage, luggage. These 2 rhyme. Sideways. Smaller, tallest. These don't rhyme. Good. Quarter, shorter. These 2 rhyme. Good. Sloppy, copy. These 2 rhyme. Good. Braver, bravest. These don't rhyme. So we have braver, bravest. Who has more bravery? Someone who's braver or someone who's bravest? Tell me. Someone who's bravest. That's right. Bravest. If a word ends in est, it means the most. So bravest is the most brave. Braver is a little bit more brave than the other person they're comparing. Bravest is most brave. All right. Sweet. We're going to move on. And we're going to go to, I'm going to clap out some syllables, and then I want you to blend the syllables into one word, okay? So I'm going to say, forgotten, You say forgotten. So you're going to blend them and make them a little bit smoother, okay? Disappearing. Disappearing. Good. You do the rest by yourself. Unforgettable. Good. Delivery. Good. Amazing. Good. Invisible. Good. Incredible. Good job. September. Got it. Trampoline. Good. Pillowcase. Good job. You got them all. Oh my gosh, you're so good at that. Okay, now it's your turn to clap out some syllables. So I'll say a word, and then you can clap them out, and then hold up your fingers to count how many syllables are in each word. I'll show you the first two, okay? So we have principal, 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 3 syllables. Video, 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 3 syllables. Now you do these next ones by yourselves, okay? October. Good. Reporter. Good. Addition. Good. Renumber. Good. Aggravate. Good. Dictionary. Good job. One more. Skyscraper. Good job, everybody. That's awesome. You did so good with that. All right. Next up, we have a sight with shoulder shake, sight with shoulder shake, sight, with shoulder shake. All right. We're going to go through some sight words. I'll say them first, then you can say them after me. Many. Good. Then. Good. Them. Good. These. Good. So. Nicely done. We're going to go through them one more time. I'm going to mix them up, trying to trick you. Okay. Here we go. Them. Good. So. Good. Then. Yep. These. You got it. Many. Good job. All right, friends. Very good, very good. Next up is a joke. Next up is a joke, a joke, a joke, a joke, a joke, a joke, a joke. Okay. Let's see. What is a duck's favorite snack? I don't know what. Cheese and quackers. I'll say it again. What is a duck's favorite snack? I don't know what. Cheese and quackers. So tell that joke to your family and friends if you can. And so you got to change the crackers to quackers because ducks say quack. So it's a little play on words. All right, friends. Next up, I have a little math story I want to tell you. And then we're going to turn it into an equation and figure out the solution. So this is called a math story problem, okay? So, once upon a time, there were 3 trees. Each tree had 4 branches. How many branches were there all together? Okay, so I'm going to move my camera over to my table so I can show you how to draw this out and how to turn it into an equation. And I'll tell the story one more time, okay? So give me one moment to move my camera. Okay, so I just have a blank piece of paper here, and I have my pencil. So I'm going to tell the story one more time, and when you're listening to the story, listen for numbers, because when we're doing math, we need to use numbers. So we need to listen to the story and listen for the numbers, and we're going to write those numbers down. Okay. So once upon a time, there were 3 trees. Each tree had 4 branches. How many branches were there all together? So let's see, what numbers did we hear? We heard there were 3 trees. Okay, so let's draw 3 trees. I'm just going to draw the trunks. 1, 2, 3. 3 tree trunks. Each tree had 4 branches. So let's draw 4 branches. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 3 trees. Each has 4 branches. How many branches are there together? Well, I can just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 branches. So I drew out the 3 trees and their 4 branches, and I counted there's 12 branches. Great. So that's how we turned the story into a picture. Now I want to turn it into an equation, okay? So there were 3 trees, so I need to write number 3. 3. Okay? And each tree had 4 branches, so this is going to be a multiplication problem, a multiplication equation. So to multiply, I use the times symbol, which looks like an X. So I have 3 times 4, because there's 4 branches on each tree. So 3 times 4 equals, and how many branches did I count all together? 12. So I write a 12. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 trees, each one has 4 branches, so there's 12 total branches, okay? So that's how this multiplication equation works. That's interesting. So we had a story, we turned it into a picture, and we turned it into an equation, okay? Now, I'm going to move my camera. I'm going to tell you one more story, but this story you get to figure out on your own. So you can draw a picture of it, and then you can turn it into an equation, okay? So this is the story. Are you ready? It goes like this. Once upon a time, there were 4 plants in a garden. Each plant had 2 flowers. How many flowers are in the garden? All right, so I'm going to say it one more time, and I want you to listen for the numbers and write the numbers down, and then you can draw out the picture from the story. So you're probably going to draw a garden, probably going to draw some plants, probably going to draw some flowers, and then figure out how many flowers there are. Here's the story again. Once upon a time, there were 4 plants in the garden. Each plant had 2 flowers. How many flowers are there in the garden? That's the end of our video. You can write out the story, draw a picture of it, write an equation about it, and if you send me a picture of it, then I'll give you some feedback, okay? So I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye, everybody.